Let's find out how high your stress tolerance is by holding your breath. Ready? Hold. Tap the screen twice and tell us at the end how high your stress tolerance is. Send the video to a friend to challenge him. It seems that you can handle a lot of stress. Very good.